gonna cut this elm tree over here, and there's a purpose for that. Now, you may ask, why you cut that elm tree down? Two reasons. One is I'll burn it for firewood after it dries. But another is that that stump right there will start growing back. And when it starts growing back, them deer come to it and eat it over all this other stuff. It'll have all kinds of minerals and stuff in that new growth. And it's like putting out a mineral lick in an area, but it's a natural one. So if there's states that you live in possibly that you can't use mineral, if you can cut some trees where you hunt, find some that are fast growing. There's others that they don't eat or that don't grow back as fast possibly. So you might want to check into what's in your area that grows quickly. I know around here I heard that like this sweet gum trees, they won't hardly eat one of them unless you cut it off and let it start growing. I guess it stinks too much.